everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama standing outside another customer creation. This baby is going to Ashley, and she was just such a pleasure to work with. One of my favorite customers. I say that about all you guys, huh? You're all my favorite customers. And I'm out here with my favorite girl, Reagan. Shh, don't tell Brittany, she might get upset. And on the outside, Ashley, this is the Portage, right? It's a 2-bed, 2-bath. Single wide 16 by 76, and she did something a little bit different. If you look back at some of the other Portage videos, you usually see a bigger window there, or no window there, or a patio door there. So this customer decided to put a 30 by 36 window, and after it was built, I just think it looks cute as could be. Also, we did a couple of different electrical receptacles on the porch, make sure she had enough power to have Christmas lights and stuff like that. Heading down the side of the home, we're going to step up into funny story, guys. Hey, I fell off of this ladder earlier today, right on my behind. So I'm going to take a little pause here while I climb up in here so you guys don't see me do something embarrassing. Hang tight. Okay, couple different ways to get in the home. You can either come off of the front porch or come into the back door here. And when you're doing the 2-bedroom option and you're coming in the back door, you'll see the furnace right away. And it makes the home floor plan do an interesting thing with the utility room. How cute is this? So in the 3-bedroom floor plan, when you walk in the door, right behind the door would be the utility room. But when you do the 2-bedroom, it moves across the street, across the hallway to where bedroom number 2 would normally be. So you've got your own little laundry utility room. And behind the door, I'm sure we're gonna find a linen closet. Yep, just as I suspected. Oh, Reagan's trying to bolt out without saying hi. Hey, everybody. And then let's start at the beginning of the home in the living area. This is front loaded, so if you're going on the lake, this is a good home for you. And look, folks, look at the size of that living room. Portage is the name of this home. Very, very, very popular for lakeside living. Took some windows that would have been on this wall and moved them over to this wall, and also enlarged them, so make them bigger. Standard is a 30 by 61, which is the same as the dining room, but she wanted some more natural light to come in that way. So isn't that cool how you can take a normal configuration and just kind of adjust it to be the way that you want your lifestyle to be? And that's exactly what Ashley did. Okay, and hey, look at that. Drywall. Hubba bubba. Here's the kitchen, cabinets to the ceiling, white hardwood. And here's Bella Romano with an ice backsplash. This Bella Romano, people are loving this countertop. I saw it with mixed with an Aluma marble earlier today, and whew, it was so pretty. Natural on the floor. Yeah, we're in our flat sandals days now, ladies. We've got a farm sink, and it should have all of the fixins. Let's double check. Maybe not. Maybe we just did the regular farm sink, and that's fine too. And then we've got a larger refrigerator with an ice maker, gas stove, microwave over the range, and the dishwasher. And one of the interesting things about the Portage floor plan is this extra bar up here. So we do caulk in between the countertops. Shout out to my nail tech, Bella, by the way. And then you do have a place where you can put some bar stools for seating here. And it's also wide open to the living area. Yes, yay. Some extra storage in the pantry. So we got a huge cabinet here with 2 openings. There we go, and one more at the top. Heading down the hallway, the first thing we're gonna come up upon will be bedroom number 2. Yes. And the bedroom number 2 closet. And then we already took a peek at the laundry room, so that's gonna come up next. No, excuse me. Whoa, here's the bathroom, bath number 2. Standard tub shower there, and a Mobile Home Mama in the mirror. Utility, we talked about that. And then here we go into the master bedroom. So if you're looking for a single wide that is big and spacious and you like the idea of having a porch and you want us to do it anyways, the Portage is a great option. Master bedroom closet. Water heater is going to be housed there. And then here we go into the master bath. I love, love, love this master bathroom because you got plenty of storage over here in the linen. Let's just open one of these cabinets. Yeah, look how deep those cabinets are as well. 3 large drawers at the bottom, another bank of drawers there in the vanity. You could add 2 sinks if you wanted to, but a lot of ladies just like to keep it to one sink. And then she added a walk-in shower toilet hiding back here behind this wall. So the Portage is a great option. I'm Christina. I'm the general manager at Champion Home Center in Topeka, Indiana. And you can come here. I'll teach you all about manufactured homes. We've got financing. We've got land home financing. If this is in your cards and it's something that you're interested in, you just don't know where to start, just start by sending me a message. I'll do the rest for you. As always, thanks for watching.